Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, it has made a swing at a level of around $1807. After that there is a continuous upside. Okay, and if you look at this particular upside, what we have seen, we can see a swing is trying to form after making a half around $2031. Okay, and till now what we have seen, there is a continuous 4 days downfall we have seen because it has already made a high of around $2031. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend also, after this particular high, what we can see, the next high is coming at around $2058, and after that its all-time high is around 2072. So once the price sustain a level of 2032, chances of touching 2058 is there, and then a probability of 2072 is there. But before that, if you look at this particular trends, the overall trend is on the upside. Okay, keep a note of it that if the price comes close to a level of $1612, there are high chances that it can move further low, or 1618. Then when the price comes close to this particular level, chances are very high it can move further low because this is a weak support, so chances of going further low is there. Okay, this is for the future, I'm telling you. Now if you look at this particular trend, after pandemic there is two pattern forming, and these two patterns are same, the similar pattern that we have seen in 2012 to 2022. Okay, 2020, and this pattern is from 2020 to 2022. Okay, and the same similar pattern is formed, where the similarities you can see that it made a downfall after making these two particular high, and then a swing form which moved it up towards an upside. Okay, now before we move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. See, there is a continuous upside we have seen, chances can be high because, and there is all what we have seen, red candles are forming. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, then we can see it can move further down towards a level of around $1993. Okay, and after that, if that level also didn't sustain, chances of going further low is there, and a probability is that we can see it can touch a level of around $1991.5, and if that level goes further low, then a chances of touching 1989 is there. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, it can touch a level of around $1987 to a level of around $1985. Okay, suppose if the price move sustain below that particular zone, chances of touching 1981 is there, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around $1976. Okay, because what we can see that there is a continuous downfall we have seen because it has already made this particular high. Okay, and we have seen that this is a support which is already made a low of around 1991 from these 4 days. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain and move below a level of 1991, chances are high it can go further low towards a level of 1985 to a level of 1978, and from there we can see a level of 1974. If the price fall below that level, chances of going towards 1967 is there, and from there we can see a level of 1960, and then further low if the price didn't sustain. Okay, if the price fall below this level, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. Okay, there is overall trend, you can say it is moving in this particular zone, so if it breaks down, then we can see it can fall further down. But suppose if it form a swing, so chances can be high it can go towards a level of around $2003, which is a weak resistance, and if that level move further low, further upside, then chances of crossing a level of $2009 is there, and it can touch a level of around $2019. Okay, and suppose if the price sustain above that particular level, it can cross a level of $2019 to a level of $2024, and once it sustain this level, chances of going further upside is there, and then we can see a level of $2031. Suppose if the price sustain above that particular zone, then we can see it can go further high, and a probability is very high it can go further high, and a probability of touching 2057 is there after crossing a level of $2031, and once it sustain above that level, it can go further upside, and a probability of going further high is there. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. So okay, see if you have any doubt, you can mail me. Okay, and I do workshop also where I teach fundamental technicals and when to trade, when not to trade, trading psychology and all. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.